Elevate your mixology game with the necessity of the best cocktail smokers, adding a delightful smoky twist to your drinks for a unique and unforgettable flavor profile. In this video, get ready to discover the top 5 cocktail smokers that will take your cocktail experience to new heights. A must-have for any aspiring bartender or cocktail enthusiast. Make sure to check the video description below for additional information, and click the links to easily purchase the products you love. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's find your perfect match. Number 1. Homia Smoking Gun. This smoking gun is the ultimate tool for adding a delightful smoky flavor to your favorite dishes and beverages. The Extended Plus smoking gun set comes fully equipped with 14 essential pieces, ensuring you have everything you need for the best smoked food experience. With an easy-to-use one-button operation featuring 2 smoking speeds, this versatile food smoker is perfect for both heavy and moderate smoking. The set includes a specially designed smoking lid, cocktail smoking ball, 7 flavors of wood chips, and more, allowing you to infuse a rich, tender smokiness into your grilled meats, veggies, cheese, cocktails, and more. The Homia Smoking Gun is not just a kitchen gadget. It's a multi-purpose flavor enhancer. The portable and convenient design makes it a perfect gift for culinary enthusiasts in your life. Safety is a top priority, with UL 73 standard for safety certification and a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. Don't miss out on the chance to transform your culinary creations with the Homia Smoking Gun. Click the link in the description to bring the art of smoking to your kitchen today. Number 2. Breville BSM 600 SIL Smoking Gun. This innovative food smoker from Breville is a game changer for home chefs and mixologists alike. With its integrated stand, dual air speeds, and a removable silicone extender hose, this smoking gun offers a hassle-free smoking experience. It's designed to be easier, lighter, and quieter than traditional smoker accessories, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. The .75-inch 18/8 stainless steel burn chamber ensures durability and efficient smoke production. Whether you're looking to add a smoky twist to meats, fish, vegetables, sauces, or cocktails, the Breville Smoking Gun has you covered. You can use a variety of smoking agents, including wood chips, tea, herbs, spices, hay, and dried flowers, allowing you to get creative with your flavor infusions. Compact and easy to store, the Breville Smoking Gun disassembles without tools for quick cleaning. The burn chamber is dishwasher safe for added convenience. Plus, it comes with 0.5-ounce apple and hickory wood chips, replacement screens, batteries, and a set of instructions and recipes to get you started. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your culinary and mixology skills with the Breville BSM 600 SIL Smoking Gun. Click the link in the description to add this must-have cocktail smoker to your kitchen arsenal today. Number 3. TMKEFFC Smoking Gun. This handheld smoker infuser puts the power of smoke in your hands, allowing you to control the intensity with 2 adjustable smoke levels. Perfect for both food and cocktails, this smoking gun adds a delightful smoky flavor and aroma in no time. The set includes tools for creating your smoking closure container, offering a customizable experience for your unique creations. The specially designed cup cover is ideal for smoking cocktails and drinks, providing a sensory delight for you and your guests. Battery operated for convenience, this versatile smoker is suitable for use in your home kitchen, bar, restaurant, or even outdoor settings like BBQs, picnics, and more. It comes beautifully packaged, making it an excellent choice for personal use or gifting to family and friends. Experience the natural smoke flavor without altering textures or temperatures. The TMKEFFC Smoking Gun uses real wood chips, tea, herbs, spices, and more to produce cold smoke, ensuring an authentic smoky touch to your dishes and beverages. Don't miss out on this essential tool for smoky flavor enthusiasts. Click the link in the description to bring the TMKEFFC Smoking Gun into your kitchen and take your culinary adventures to new heights. Number 4. Mitbak Cocktail Smoker. This complete smoking gun set has everything you need for the best smoked drinks and food. Featuring 3 adjustable smoke speeds, this cocktail smoker kit allows you to customize the intensity of the smoky flavor to suit your preferences. The set includes wooden chips and a specially designed dome lid, ensuring a seamless smoking experience. Equipped with a long-lasting, rechargeable lithium-ion battery, this smoker is low maintenance and maintains a high energy density, perfect for whiskey enthusiasts. It makes an excellent gift for special occasions like anniversaries, Father's Day, Christmas, Thanksgiving, birthdays, and more. Discover endless possibilities with this indoor smoker, adding delicious smoke flavor to beef, fish, chicken, turkey, cheese, vegetables, and desserts. Impress your guests and showcase your bartending skills by infusing a touch of smoke into whiskey and bourbon cocktails, such as the classic old-fashioned. Don't miss out on the opportunity to take your mixology skills to new heights. Click the link in the description to bring the Mitbak cocktail smoker into your home and transform your cocktails into smoky masterpieces. Number 5. Smoke Boards Cocktail Smoker Kit with Torch. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to infuse a cocktail with a delightful smoky twist. Featuring 3 different wood chips: cherry, apple, and pecan, along with a torch, cocktail mixing glass, and whiskey barrel smoke boards. This bourbon smoker kit is the perfect gift for whiskey enthusiasts and cocktail connoisseurs. Say goodbye to traditional smoke guns and chimney toppers. This kit stands out as the superior barware tool set. What sets this kit apart is its ability to infuse the drink, not just add smoke on top. With 3 large jars of wood chips, it provides an impressive 30 times more than other mixology kits or sawdust chimney smokers, allowing you to craft over 300 cocktails with unmatched flavor. Handcrafted for quality and backed by a lifetime warranty, the Smoke Boards Cocktail Smoker is your ticket to elevating your cocktail experience. Don't settle for ordinary. Click the link in the description to bring this exceptional cocktail smoker into your home and craft extraordinary smoked cocktails. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through the world of shopping. Make sure to check the video description for any additional resources and links to purchase your favorite products. Stay tuned for more expert reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest and greatest. Until next time, happy shopping and may you always find your perfect match.